Coach Dino Gaudio is charged with trying to extort the university after his firing in March, demanding the 17 months of pay left on his contract and threatening to go public with alleged NCAA violations if he didn't get what he wanted. In the end, it backfired on Gaudio.
He was hurt, he was angry, and unfortunately he made some statements that he wished he wouldn't have made.
The lawyer for Dino Gaudio admits his client made those threats, saying Gaudio was furious for being fired March 17th, along with Cards assistant Luke Murray, after the Cards missed the NCAA tournament. Gaudio had been here all 3 seasons with head coach Chris Mack, and their friendship dates back 3 decades. But the program was going in the wrong direction, so Mack did something about it.
That was the first time that I let anybody go in the 12 years I was a head coach. It was a very, very difficult decision. I don't know how, people do separate the personal from the professional. That saying of it's not personal, it's business. For this business, at least for this person, it's both.
And it seems Gaudio took it personally, firing back at Mack with threats to expose alleged NCAA violations within the program. Gaudio said he had video evidence of rules breaking with recruiting videos and graduate student participation and would make it public if he didn't get the rest of his 17-month salary he felt he was owed.
And those statements were taped and they were turned in to law enforcement before any opportunity to really reflect or walk those statements back.
Worse yet, court documents state Gaudio texted those videos across state lines, making it a federal case. U of L did not cave to the threats, instead going to the FBI and moving forward with a criminal case, even though it would expose it to NCAA scrutiny. 2 months later, Gaudio is also facing scrutiny for his actions. He
intends to take full responsibility for his lapse in judgment over those very few minutes on March 17th when he was upset. And his hope is that all the people whose lives that he's touched positively over his 40-year career will reflect on all of the good that is Dino Gaudio and consider the context of those very few minutes in a heat of passion.
Regardless of where this case goes, this is another black eye on a program that's been desperately trying to repair its image, already waiting for a ruling on a pay-for-play scandal after already serving penalties for a sex scandal. Rick Vicky, in the current culture, image is reality, and from a national as well as a local perspective, Louisville's image is nowhere near where it wants to be.
Absolutely. All right, thanks, Fred. And U of L released a statement which reads in part, while the university cannot comment further due to the ongoing federal investigation and the NCAA process, it continues to cooperate with authorities as well as with the NCAA on this matter.